purpose of an orthopedic surgeon is to treat the injury and get our patient back to work in a safe, sound environment. And whatever there is which helps me help my patient get back to work helps the employer, and it's a win-win situation all the way around. When we're almost done with our treatment, we need to make a final evaluation. We turn to the functional medical evaluation, which shows us what our patients can or can't do. In other words, what they can get back to work doing in a safe and secure manner. We want to make sure they can get back to work not being exposed to hurting themselves or their coworkers. The FME is a vital test, well worth the time, effort, and cost to enable us to get people back to work.
So, what does that mean? That's the most frequently asked question I get. How can I take a person and have them do a simple task of reaching and equate that to what they can do at work? I can only do that if I have some criterion that's valid and that is what we call generalizable to what they do at work. There is such a criterion. It's called method time measurement. Method time measurement was developed in the 1940s by a group of scientists. They studied many people at work. Over the 60 years, there was an industrial standard that was developed by looking at a cross-section of workers. It was developed that 95% of the workers could do over an 8-hour period for 40 hours a week. And that time standard was equated to each of the basic functions of work: reach, lift, walk, crawl, carry. If we can measure what a person can do in the best of circumstances, given these time industrial standards, then we know what they can do safely over an 8-hour day, 40 hours a week. We take that raw data, we put that together, and we provide whether or not this individual can meet the industrial standard to the physician. And this is where we come to the best part and the most unique part about our evaluation. Our evaluations are done here in the doctor's office in conjunction with the physician. The physician examines the patient prior to the evaluation. So it's the physician that determines whether the patient can or cannot do each of the tasks.
As a case manager, I was looking to get information on what somebody could do over an 8-hour period, 5 days a week. And the solution was MTM, and the data that they provide for us tells us what my patient can do over that period of time without sustaining further injury and in a real usable manner.
IMCS, Independent Medical Case Solutions Group, is here to help you resolve your problems and provide you the best service. We offer CLE classes, CEU classes, and we'd be more than happy to come into your facility and teach you more about the FME and the criteria in which it's based. I hope that this has helped you understand a little bit about us. The most important thing is that we're very concerned in providing the best quality product. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for your time.